Hey there, in this quick video I'm going to share with you how you can possibly fix the issue for your BMW 1 Series if you're gonna have a black screen, what you can try to do. So the one thing that you can try, maybe it's going to fix the issue for you, you just want to press and hold the volume button and see the eject button at the same time for about 10 to 15 seconds. And maybe it's going to work. This is something that I read on a forum, that push volume on the radio and see the eject button at the same time, hold till you see BMW on. And this is the first thing that you can try, and maybe it's going to fix it. Now another thing is that I read is that the person who got also the black screen, he wrote here that the issue was resolved by BMW dealer by doing two things. First was a suspect loose connection behind the head unit. They stripped down the dashboard and pulled out the head unit. All connections were reset and things put back together. So that's pretty much it. That also helped him. And yeah, thank you, and I hope it's going to like at least fix the issue.